Ever wondered how to make a perfect risotto in an instant pot? Today, we're diving into the art of crafting this Italian delicacy with the help of our trusty Instant Pot. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game, stay tuned to learn how to create a delightful risotto in your Instant Pot. Let's start with the ingredients you will need. 2 tablespoons of olive oil and unsalted butter, 1 chopped onion, minced garlic, a cup of arborio rice, a 1/3 cup of white wine or broth, 2½ cups of vegetable or chicken broth, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and fresh ground black pepper. Now that we have everything ready, let's get cooking. Cooking risotto in an Instant Pot is surprisingly easy. Begin by selecting the sauté option. Add a blend of olive oil and unsalted butter. As the butter melts into a luscious pool, invite the chopped onion and minced garlic to join the party. Let them mingle until the onions are soft and translucent, their flavors seeping into the oil. Next, welcome the star of the show, arborio rice. Toast it gently until the aroma fills your kitchen. Now, it's time for a splash of white wine if you're using it, or a bit more broth. Then set your Instant Pot to pressure cook for 6 minutes. While the magic happens inside, you can set the table or pour yourself a glass of wine. Once the risotto is done, perform a quick release, open the pot, and shower the risotto with grated Parmesan and a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. Stir well, allow it to rest, and let the flavors settle. And voila! Your perfect risotto is ready to be served. Wasn't that easy? Just a quick recap. We sautéed onions and garlic in butter and olive oil, toasted arborio rice until fragrant, added our choice of wine or broth, and pressure cooked it all for 6 minutes. A sprinkle of Parmesan and black pepper to finish, and voila! A restaurant-quality risotto in your own kitchen, all thanks to your trusty Instant Pot. We hope you enjoyed this quick and easy risotto recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy everyday eats.